So by default, what happens is that your computer has a device name that is actually sent over as information to the other person. So if you want to go ahead and change that out, you can simply click on the gear icon in TeamViewer, and then over here under device, you can go to general. So over here, you can see that the device name is desktop. So if I were to actually go ahead and click right here, I can go ahead and change the name of the device right here. For example, I'm going to go around and say TT desktop. Let's say, for example, right here, just like this. So it's TTTube desktop. So if I were to go ahead and save, then this is what you have right here. You got the TTTube desktop, the device name changed, and then this is what is updated. So apart from that, you can see that it says start TeamViewer with Windows right here, which is turned off. So if you want TeamViewer to automatically start when Windows device start, you can simply turn this on, and TeamViewer will always automatically load for you to use. So depending on what you need, you can go ahead and then utilize these options that you see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and change out the device name and startup settings as you like inside of TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe